To enroll, you must access the academic portal and self-register using the student number and the course code that were sent to you. Save the password that was generated and log in to the academic portal. Validate the authorizations. And click on Go to the Home page. Then click on Enroll Units Curricular. Then click on Prepare Enrollment. Accept the terms and conditions and click on Proceed. Confirm your personal details. The details with the red asterisks are mandatory. Click on Confirm. Then click on Enrollment Service. Continue registration enrollment. Accept the terms and conditions and click on Continue. Here you will have to consent and authorize the sending of your data to Caixa Geral de Depósitos, as it is the entity responsible for issuing UAlg students' cards. Click in Authorize. Now click on Enrollment Form Personal Data. Fill in the 3 tabs on the form with the data requested. The data with the red asterisk is mandatory. Then click on Save Personal Data. Now click on Paying Debts to make the payments for the registration fee, the school insurance and the first tuition fee installment. Then select items you want to pay for and click on Items to Pay. Now select the payment method and click on Next. Confirm your payment details. An ATM reference should then be generated, which you can use to pay for the item selected. Once payment has been done, return to the academic portal and click on Enrolled Units Curricular. Then, click on Continue Registration Enrollment. You must upload all the required documents and click on Upload. Then click on Next. Now confirm your student history. If your course has different branches, you will need to choose which one you want to attend on this page. Click on Continue. Here you will have to select all the first year course units. If your course has option curricular units, do not forget to select them too. Once you have selected the course units for both semesters, confirm your registration. If your registration has led to timetable conflicts or a lack of places in the predefined classes, you should click on the table above the class where is the error. Please note that if the course is in the second semester, you must first select that semester in the timetable periods option. Your enrollment is complete. To save or print your proof of enrollment, click on the blue button.